Snot let me borrow his hamster while he's at Jewish camp. I'm so excited to take care of him.
For the hamster's sake, I hope you do a better job of taking care of him than you do of me.
You're not my pet, Klaus.
Well, why not, Steve? Why not?
Klaus wants a teenage boy to take care of him. I guess you can take the brain out of a German, but you can't take the German out of a brain.
Oh, Jeff, burning Klaus. I hope you like your fish blackened.
Go free the whales.
We talked about this, Roger. You're the one who frees the whales every time. This was going to be the time you did the dance-off, but here we are in the whale room once again.